The order return split by customer type report points up how many of the total return orders come from new or repeat customers every month. Another essential report you will get in Reveal is the revenue versus margin by customer type one. It's not a secret anymore that this graph will prove that repeat customers are the gold mine for your business. This report shows you the balance between new customers and repeat customers in terms of revenue, margin, and volume of customers. Generally, this reflects the health of your business. If you have a lot of new customers that bring little money and margin, and very few repeat customers that bring more money and margin, that means your business is not sustainable and you need to increase the number of repeat customers. Top Customers Report. Reveal is more than a CRM. Besides the regular customer data, it also splits your customer database into RFM groups, so you can easily check which are your soulmate customers about to dump you or new passions. You can filter and download the customers from different RFM groups anytime you want. The Top Customers report will tell for each customer what is the RFM group it belongs to, what is the number of orders, revenue, or margin the customer had during the lifetime. If you are interested to see more advanced details about the customer, you can click on the customer email to access more information about that specific client. On this page, you will find details about the customer location, statistics about transactions, shipping details, order status details, and a timeline with the order history. Customer distribution. This report shows you how many of your customers placed exactly one order, or 2 orders, or 10 orders. In this case, the volume of customers that place more than one order decreases and increases after 10 orders, outlining a gap in the customer stickiness. NPS per customer attribute. If you've previously done some data enrichment and have some additional information about the customers or their orders, they will appear here as customers' attributes, and you will be able to check the Net Promoter Score for each customer attribute. For example, location. And the last one, the retention curve. The retention curve highlights how many customers placed at least one order or at least 2 orders, and so on.